This is Creative Philosophy, and today we will talk about Plato's divided line.
Have you ever wondered about the nature of reality? What lies beyond the physical world we can see and touch? These are questions that have puzzled thinkers for centuries. Once upon a time, there was a great philosopher named Plato who lived in ancient Greece. He wrote the Dialogue Republic, in which Socrates and Glaucon were arguing about the nature of reality. This experience inspired Plato to delve deeper into it, and he developed a powerful metaphor to explain his ideas. He called it the divided line. To help Glaucon understand the difference between these four levels, Plato, or rather Socrates, drew a line and divided it into two sections. The lower section represented the physical world, and the upper section represented the world of forms. Plato then divided each section into two more sections, representing the levels of understanding. So, the line is divided into four sections: A, B, C, and D. The bottom section, A, represents images, which are not quite real because they depend on the real things they are images of represented in section B. For example, a shadow is an image of an object, and it disappears when the object is removed. The realm of sensible things is in section B, and it includes the things we see and touch in the world around us. The section C above represents mathematical and intelligible objects. When we measure and count things, we move from section B to section C. Math and numbers are pure and unchanging, so they are considered to be more real than the things we count. This means that the world of sensible things we trust is actually just an image of a higher reality. The top section, D, represents the good, the form of good itself, which is beyond mathematical knowledge and the sensible world. The good is the ultimate goal of human knowledge, but it is difficult to understand and impossible to describe.
Let's see how this divided line works if we put it on the allegory of the cave.
Plato's Allegory of the Cave is a metaphorical story that illustrates the concept of human perception and knowledge. In this allegory, a group of people is chained up in a cave and can only see shadows cast on the cave wall by objects passing in front of a fire. They mistake these shadows for reality and are unaware of the outside world. The allegory of the cave can be understood through the prism of the divided line by recognizing that the prisoners in the cave are confined to the visible world. They only perceive the shadows on the wall, which represent the lowest level of the divided line, the realm of images or illusions. They are unable to perceive the real objects that cast the shadows or the sunlight that illuminates them, which represent the next level up on the divided line, the realm of visible things. The intelligible world, which represents the higher levels of the divided line, is symbolized by the outside world that the prisoners cannot see. This world is characterized by the forms, which are the pure and eternal concepts that underlie all physical objects. In the allegory, the philosopher who leaves the cave represents someone who has climbed up to the realm of the forms and gained true knowledge. Plato believed that the goal of human existence was to move up this divided line, from the world of shadows and images to the world of the good. This could only be accomplished through philosophical inquiry and contemplation. Plato's divided line became a powerful tool for understanding the nature of reality and the path to enlightenment. So, next time you find yourself pondering the mysteries of existence, remember Plato's divided line. And consider where your own understanding lies.